Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Today, today we will start our exercise number 7.4. Before starting the exercise, first we will learn the terms. In this exercise, we have to find the greater fraction and smaller fraction. See, what do you mean by greater fraction in that condition? Two conditions are there. First, we will learn about the greater fraction. Okay, if a fraction is having the same denominators, if a fraction is having the same denominator, we will confirm with our numerator. Okay, we will compare with our numerator which one is greater or smaller. If the denominators of the fraction are same, denominator same. When denominator are same, we will compare the numerator. Okay. When denominator are same, we will compare with the numerator. So in this three fraction, which one is greater? 9 by 11. One more condition is there. If denominators are different, means 4 by 5, 9 by 11, 3 by 7, 2 by 9. When the denominators are different, here you have to find the which one is greater. When denominators are different, then the lower denominator means the smallest denominator is having the greatest fraction. Okay. When denominator are same, you will compare with the numerator which one is greater or which one is smaller. Okay. And when the denominators are different, the shorter denominator is the greatest fraction. Okay. When denominator are same, we will compare with numerator. Okay, when your denominator are same, we will compare with our numerator. Which one is greater or which one is smaller? Both for greater and smaller fraction. This is applicable. Okay. Now, next, when denominators are not equal, are not same. When denominators are not same like this, when denominators are not same, the shorter denominator is the greatest fraction. Greater fraction. The shorter denominator is greater fraction and the highest denominator is having the smallest fraction. Okay. So, this you have to remember. When denominator are same, there is no confusion. You have to compare with the numerator. Which one is greater, which one is smaller, which is asked in the question. Okay. When denominator are not same, then the shorter denominator, the smallest denominator is having the largest fraction and the greater denominator is having the smaller fraction. Okay. Now, we will start our exercise. Exercise number 7.4. First question is choose the correct answer. Means first one is MCQ. First one is MCQ. Okay. First is which of the fraction is greater? Which one is greater? All the fraction is having same denominator. So we will compare with our numerator. Which one is greater? So here which one is greater? All the denominators are different, so numerator 7, 10, 9 and 6. So 10 is the greater. So you will tick on 10 that 10 by 11 is the greatest fraction. Which of the fraction is smaller here? Second one is 9 by 17, 9 by 15, 9 by 19 and 9 by 20. Which one is smaller? So the greater fraction, greater denominator is the smallest fraction. I have just now told you, when the denominators are not equal, the smaller denominator is the greatest fraction and the greater denominator is the smallest fraction. So in this question you have asked which fraction is smaller. So we will see the denominator which is greater denominator, 17, 15, 19, 20. 20 is the greater denominator. So this is the smallest fraction. Number 3. Number 3 is you have to write the ascending order of the fraction. One fraction is given. I am writing the question here. 5 by 11, 9 by 11, 7 by 11, 13 by 11 and 10 by 11. You have to write the ascending order, okay? Children, when the denominator are same, we will compare with our numerator. And ascending means we have to write from smaller to greater. Okay, ascending means we have to write this fraction from smaller to greater. So first one we will look the denominator. Denominator are same, no problem. We will compare with our numerator. Which one is smaller numerator? 5 by 11. So first will be 5 by 11, then 7 by 11, 9 by 11, 10 by 11 and then 13 by 11. This is given in option number B. So you will take question number 3, option number B is correct. Here option number D is correct. Here option number B is correct. Okay. Now question number 4 is the descending order. Question is given, you have to write the descending order of the fraction. Okay. First one is, I am writing the question here first. Number 4. 3 by 13, 3 by 9, 3 by 10, 3 by 5. Here you have to write the descending order. When the denominator are different, descending means from greater to smaller. Okay, descending means from greater to smaller. When the denominators are different, the shorter denominator is the greatest fraction. So first we will find which is shorter, 3 by 5. 3 by 5. After that 3 by 9. Then 3 by 10. Then 3 by 13. So this is the descending order when the when the denominators are different. Smaller denominator is having a greater fraction. So first we will write then we will write accordingly. Okay. So this is given in option number C. So in this question you will take option number C. Number 5. Which of the following is correct? First one is 7 by 9 greater than 7 by 5. Next, 7 by 5 greater than 7 by 9. Then 7 by 9 is equals to 7 by 5 and last all of these, that is not possible. Okay. First, here the denominators are different. So we will find the greater and smaller. Which one will be greater? The smaller denominator. So this one is greater. But in this question 7 by 9 is having greater sign. So this is not correct. Next, 7 by 5 is greater than 7 by 9. Yes. 7 by 9 is equals to 7 by 5. No. So in this question you will take option number B, that 7 by 5 is greater than the 7 by 9. Now, next question is question number 2. Put greater, smaller and equal sign. Question number 2 is put greater, smaller and equal sign. Okay. So first is 7 by 11 dash 9 by 11, Next 7 by 18 dash 5 by 18. Next is 3 by 4 dash 2 by 4. First we will solve this one. Okay, first we will see the denominators are equal or not. These two denominators are equal. In these two, which one is greater, 9 or 7? 9. So greater will be 9 by 11. Here also same, we will compare with the denominator. Denominator are same, then we will compare the numerator. Which one is greater? 7. Here also same, 3 by 4 is greater. Next 8 by 14 dash 5 by 14. Which one is greater? 8. Here 7 by 11 dash 7 by 12. Different denominator. So what I told you, when different denominator comes, the smaller denominator is the greatest fraction. Okay. So 7 by 11 is the greater fraction. Next is 8 by 9, 4 by 9. Which one is greater? 8 by 9. Next 6 by 8, 4 by 8. Which one is greater? 6 by 8. 11 by 12, 22 by 24. Here also denominators are different. So shorter denominator is the greatest fraction. So which one is shorter? 12. So 11 by 12 is the greater fraction. Next is 7 by 8, 7 by 5. Which one is greater? Smaller fraction is greater. So 7 by 5 is greater here. Okay. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.